What's up, paid to play community? Today we're going to be talking about Axe's Metaverse that they got going on here. This is a sponsored look, but we're going to be talking about this game in detail here and going through some of their ambitions to become a massive play to earn game that is on the mobile device. But Axe's Metaverse is going to be a massive game because it's being developed or has been developed by Azur Games, which is a massive mobile gaming company studio that we can see right here that Azur Games is an international mobile game developer and publisher. This company was founded in 2017 and is currently one of the top 5 mobile publishers. That's nuts. So blockchain gaming, they're actually picking it up and they see the potential in this. And the first game they're going with is Axes. So Axes is a blockchain based metaverse designed by, like I said, Azur Games, which is one of the leading mobile game publishers. Their goal is to provide players with a unique gaming experience through empowering player ownership, implementing the blockchain technologies. And this massive mobile gaming company is picking this up. So Axe's Metaverse is designed to empower player ownership through tokenization of the characters, in-game assets, and land. Yes, they are going to have land. And all of these assets are going to be announced soon. So make sure you stay tuned on all of this stuff by joining their Telegram and their Discord. So right here, that's one of their top highlights that they feature about this game is that they have a top 5 mobile game publisher. They have 2 billion installs, 30 million daily active users, and 100 plus published games. But they're taking Axes and they're moving it over to the blockchain, and they're going to be using Binance Smart Chain as their blockchain, which is a great chain. I love Binance Smart Chain. So Axes is a battle royale, and basically what a battle royale is you got to be the last person standing. But they're also going to have PvE dungeons where you can send your NFTs into the dungeon and they'll come back with golden resources and fame, it looks like. And they're going to be bringing more modes to it as well. So you're super early in this game. You're super early. Here's some play to earn. You got season token rewards, complete in-game modes, climb to the top of the leaderboards, NFT farm. That's where you send your NFTs into the dungeon. Trade your NFTs. Every NFT in Axe's Metaverse can be traded, which is a great feature to have. And then you can lend your characters, kind of like a scholarship, but it's a little bit different. And you can stake Axe's Metaverse tokens to get rewards. So you're basically doing a liquidity pool, which is another great feature. Look at the roadmap a little bit because we're extremely early. We got the game asset offering in December. So again, you're in early. Take advantage of this opportunity. They're going to design the tokenomics a little bit more, and I will keep you guys up to date on what's happening with this. They're going to launch the marketplace after the Hero Chest launch. And then they're going to launch the testnet version for partners, design, play to earn models, dungeons, battler. Massive. And this is all coming really soon, within the next couple months. I looked into the team a little bit, but it really doesn't necessarily, you don't have to, because it's all laid out on Azur Games massive studio. They got an app, they got a game for it already. It's a huge, they got huge people on this project. But I like that they're doing this because they're bringing a non-blockchain game over to the blockchain, and they're making more people aware of it because this game is already played by a lot of people. Now, when they bring it over to the blockchain, they're introducing a massive audience to blockchain. So that's why I'm taking up this project, taking up this sponsorship, because I want to make sure that you guys understand that my goal is to bring this to the masses. We need a revolution in blockchain gaming coming. You know, the play to earn is just a bonus. The fact is that we need true ownership of our digital assets. That is the main goal here. I'm going to show you a little bit of game footage of like higher level battle royales because I have yet to get to that point. And I'll also show you a little bit of what like how the game looks when you download it right now, even though none of the blockchain is integrated yet, but this is what the game looks like. Absolutely crazy. So I think this is going to be a great opportunity for you guys. All right, so the world of Axes is the lore of our metaverse is going to expand the already existing successful game, which I was talking about. So there's going to be different lands. Look at, we can see human, elves, orcs. They're going to have a metaverse story. Will take you to the magic ancient kingdom of Valorant. Hopefully I said that right. But they said they're going to have land in this, so that's epic. And they're moving it to the metaverse, which is beautiful. I'm glad. Already successful game. Moving it to the blockchain, introducing it to a lot of people. I love what this project is doing. So their goal is to develop a sustainable economy that will keep up the value of players' assets and Axes metaverse token for an entire metaverse lifespan, which is very important. You need very good incentive to keep that economy flowing. And they plan on doing that through a marketplace. So through the marketplace, they're planning on trading your assets freely. Again, I'm going to keep you guys up to date on what's happening with this epic game here. All right, so we're taking a first look at this game. I'm using BlueStacks to play the game, and this is not integrated on the blockchain. As you can see, they got ads on this, which I kind of disagree with, actually strongly disagree, and they need to remove these ads if they want to move over to the blockchain for sure. They need to be thinking about bigger pictures here. I removed that whole ad. You can watch an ad for 30 seconds and get a bonus. Then I hopped in through the next stage, and it looked like it hopped me into a battle with actual people in it. And from there, I just ran, and I was collecting these gems, it looked like, what would level me up. And this is where it got pretty intense. I can see how this game could get pretty massive and could be kind of fun. But they have too many ads. They have too many, as you can tell with like any type of phone game where they're just loaded with ads to get more and extra stuff. Not what I'm looking for in a decentralized game. Just being honest. There's still massive potential. We don't know. This is not the final product. This game is just what's already out. You know, so I'm sure there's going to be a lot changing with that. Regardless of the fact, it still has an epic concept behind it. So make sure you guys follow this stuff and stay up to date with what's going on here. For sure. But right now, like, they can change up to special offers and stuff and make sure that they use the in-game currency and stuff. That's good for incentivizing the economy and bringing it back into the game for sure. Absolutely agree with that. There's, as we can see with a good example with Thetan Arena, you know, you can earn in-game currency and then spend it back into the game with a lot of good games. But this would be like the main screen. This is kind of cool though. They got the rewards, scoreboard, missions, got equipment, shop. A lot of good stuff happening with this. A lot of potential here, and that's why I'm bringing it to your attention so you guys can stay up to date on what's happening with this. I hope you guys come be a part of the Axes Metaverse. It is something worthwhile looking into and just staying up to date on what's happening with it. You're early on the public sale. You're early on the launch of the NFT assets. You're very early to this project, so come check it out.